Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn new words in English together. So I just want to remember you that I'm French speaker and I'm here to learn English with you all learners, everyone who know English very well. You are welcome. If you have some correction, just write in the comment because I'm not perfect in English, but I try to teach what I know, and also learn and improve my English. My advice today for you, everyone, is to try to speak English. You know, even if you learn French, try to speak it every day. Make mistake like me. I make mistakes. Yes, mistakes every day. I also learn every day. So today we will learn some new word in English and stay. Welcome back. Here you can see many cars. Here are the car. You can see cars here. This is the bus. Here you can see the bus. The bus is going there. The bus is going. And me and I'm walking. I'm walking down the street. You can see a lot of cars here, and another bus. This is the bus here. The bus is going. The bus is just here. Yes. Here, this is the car park. The car park. You can see many cars in the park here. The cars are parked. Yes, that's it. Many cars. Yes, that's it. Let's go. And me, I'm working right now. Here you can see the crosswalk. This is the crosswalk, and I'm working on the crosswalk. I'm working on the crosswalk. And you have another crosswalk here, and you can see it here. And I have the traffic light here, and the traffic light is green, but I can go. But you have many cars. You have the cars who don't let me go. Just wait. And let's go very fast. I'm walking fastly. Here you have the rubbish just here. You can put the dirty inside the rubbish here. And here you have a bus station. Some people, this is the bus station. Bus station. Some where people wait for the bus. And you have the traffic light here. This is traffic light. This is traffic light for the car. And this is signalization for the bicycle. Yes. Another crosswalk. And let's continue to work. You have car, crosswalk, traffic light, mini traffic light, one traffic light, another traffic light there, traffic light for people, and traffic light for car. Let's continue to work. And here, this is fire hydrant. It's used to get water quickly when there is a fire. You can see it in many cities, everywhere in the world, you know. And here, this is fence. Here you have fence to protect the home. You have fence here. Another rubbish. This is rubbish or trash. And you have flower. This is flower. You have many flowers here. Flower, red color flower here. This is red color flower. It's very nice, you know. This is very nice. Oh la 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 la! It's very nice. You have many flowers. Let's continue. And you have, this is park bench. It's where people can sit and rest. Let's sit down. Let's sit here. Right now. I am sitting on the park bench. I'm sitting on the park bench. You can see here. You have many park bench in the street in many cities, and there are several park bench along the street where people can sit and rest. People can sit and rest on park bench. You can sit down. You can stand up, and you have another park bench here where people can sit and wait for the bus. I hope that you learn many things in English and new words today. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next time.